What's happening, Hardscapers? We are day 2 on this job. Did this hand dig out unfortunately the other day. Doing the front yard today. Let's show that. So we had the mini excavator on this one just to do this small little portion along here to about over there, because we've also got utilities marked here. Again, we can't dig machine 3 feet within these, 39 inches, 1 meter. So pretty much from here down to about right there, we hand dug this. Rented a machine just for 4 hours just for this. It's totally worth it for that. So even though we can only use a piece of equipment like this Mini X for a small portion of this dig out, no matter what, I'm going to go ahead and rent or get that piece of equipment there by any means. I bill into every single project this rental, so it just makes sense to go ahead, take advantage of that. Even if it's for a small section, I'm going to take advantage of that. You can see on this project we've got utilities running everywhere in this. That's why we're doing quite a bit of hand digging. We have to 39 inches within those markings, so that's just what we need to do. It's not a huge deal, it's not a major excavation, and we can move on with that. So we've got our trench dug, we're ready to compact our subsoil. We will be amending this because this is really hard clay. We do hit sand in some spots. This is just brutal clay in this area. I knew that prior to pricing this, and along here we chose to just hand dig this. We are right up against the driveway here, and this wall is going to be really small in this area. I will be dragging some of this gravel into this trench to help amend that. That is this front area. So especially with this clay, we throw down some type S mortar and some of this 3/4 inch crushed stone. We compact that in. So this clay is the reason why we amend our soils, and we put down that type S mortar mix and it sucks out some of the moisture in the clay. We pound down some of the 3/4 clear stone. That just adds a little bit more bearing ability. This stuff is incredibly tough, really rough clay in this area. So that's why we go about amending our subsoils. Clay is actually weak subsoil, so we want to improve the bearing ability of it by pounding in that type S mortar mix and just strengthening it a little bit. Giving that 3/4 clear as well, pounding that into it, changes it, adds more bearing ability to that subsoil. This is fairly good, needs a little bit of cleaning up, and then we've got one more bin coming on day 3 of this project to clean up all of this, because we got steps coming down here, so we need to be a bit deeper. That trench is done, and we're looking pretty good. Base prep on day 4. I had to go back to that previous job that we started this vlog series on, install the polymeric sand, finish that project up, wrap it up, in the books, first project down. We couldn't do that before because it was actually snowing when we started this project. So went back, completed that one, wrapped it up, got paid. Now we're all in on this current one. Thank you for tuning in to this vlog series. If you enjoy it, please give this video a like. Comment below anything that you want to see in the future on this vlog series. What are you looking forward to? What do you want to see more of in my business? And subscribe to this YouTube channel for more hardscaping content. Thank you so much for watching.